How to fix Instagram unable to login error on iPhone or iPad. First tap on OK. Go back. Open settings. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on VPN and device management. Now disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Scroll up. Here tap on iPhone storage. Here search for Instagram. Now tap on offload app and offload Instagram app. After this go back. Open App Store. Here search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram and update Instagram app. After updating go back, restart your device. After restarting your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then tap and hold Instagram app. Tap on remove app and delete Instagram app and reinstall it. After this your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.